Homeowners, are you waiting for the perfect time to buy your replacement property? Here's the scoop. The perfect time isn't somewhere down the road. The perfect time to buy is right now. Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with eXp Realty and Superior Town and Country Group, and I'm here to tell you why finding your replacement property has never been easier. So what's happening in the housing market that makes this the most ideal moment? Let's break it down. First up, the opportunities in today's market. As we kick off the new year, inventory is on the move and more options are popping up for buyers. Starting your property search now means you'll avoid the frenzy that hits in the spring when the market gets busier and choices start to dwindle. Timing is everything, and being proactive now puts you ahead of the game. Worried you might not have the resources to make the move? Well, let's talk about the benefits of homeownership you can tap into. One of the biggest advantages is that you've built equity over the years. According to CoreLogic, persistent home price growth has continued to fuel the home equity gain for existing homeowners who have an average of about $315,000 in equity. That's a lot of buying power. Whether you're an empty nester looking to downsize or you're a family that is growing and you need more space, your equity can help you secure a replacement property that better suits your lifestyle. Don't let hesitation keep you from the perfect opportunity. The current market conditions combined with the equity you've built make this the perfect time to move into that home that matches your needs. And remember, having an experienced agent by your side makes all the difference. That's where my team and I come in. We'll help you make a plan, find your ideal property, and start building for your future today. Real estate remains one of the best investments over time, all while providing you with the lifestyle that you deserve. So let's make that happen. Reach out to my team and I, and let's turn your real estate goals into reality. Don't wait. Your dream property is waiting for you.